How to fix Playables not showing on YouTube. So one of the main reasons why it's not showing is because it's not yet rolled out or available in your country or region. Usually it should be found over here right beside all, this little icon, and then you scroll down until you see something like this, which is Playables right below the podcast. Other than that, you could search it right here on the YouTube search. You just go ahead and search for YouTube Playables like so, and then you scroll down until you see the actual games that YouTube has. But in my case, YouTube Playables is not available in my country. But you can go ahead and check yours out if it is. One other way you can try is go ahead to your Play Store and make sure your YouTube is updated to the latest version. So just go ahead to your Play Store, search for YouTube, and make sure there isn't any update sign, because if there is, just go ahead and update it. Other than that, go ahead to your settings, search for apps like so, and then you're gonna look for YouTube. So like YouTube, and then go ahead to the clear data in the bottom right corner, and then just clear your cache as well. If you've already tried turning on your VPN, this can hide supported regions, so make sure it is off. But if you'd like, you can try using a VPN, connecting to a country or a region that has Playables available, like the US and whatnot. But anyways, those are a few options you can try if your YouTube Playables is not showing. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.